Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Another little Vise. I don't know a year or a make on it. There's no identifying marks at all on this. All I know is that I got this from my grandfather a long time ago. And I think it's about time I restore it. I don't think I'm going to go with the same color pattern. Matter of fact, I don't even think I'm going to go with a color pattern. I think I'm going to leave it just plain metal. So without any further ado, I say we jump right into this. What do you guys think? I want to give a quick shout out to Shedman X for you, brother. High Dollar Beer. Back the screw out a little bit, see if that works. There's not really much to these at all. There's the one little set screw, and the Acme screw should come out. There's the two horizontal rods that run through it. There's this little jobber-do that attaches it to the countertop, which I should, yep, look at that, be able to pop right out. These are real easy to put back in. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's like a little slot in the middle there. You just stick like a screwdriver in there and give it a little tweak, and that's it. So let me get the set screw out. So this set screw, all it does is hold the Acme screw in place, and that's it. Look at that. Where'd that screw go? Just that fast. There it is. We are disassembled. Ladies and gentlemen, check that out. It's probably the fastest disassemble I've ever done. Looks like a bunch of carnage there, but yep, just a couple of pieces. So I'm just going to let this soak overnight. I was kind of thinking about throwing it on the wire wheel real quick and try and knock as much of the paint off before going into the rust converter, but I don't know. Let's just see what happens when we throw a wire wheel on it and see if some of this paint will come off. What do you guys think? Hang on, I'll get you reset up. Alright guys, I got you reset up there. Like I said, I don't know if this is really going to take the paint off or not, because it looks like factory paint. Let's see, right? It's not doing anything. I mean, it's cleaning the paint up, but yeah, it's not doing anything. How about this? How about we, hey Willow Dog, how about we throw some paint stripper on there, see if we can't get the bulk of it off. What do you think? Why not, right? Got nothing else to do. Yep, I think that's what we're gonna do. Hang on a sec, I'll get you reset up again. Well, so this is what we got. A couple of pieces, little plastic tote. That can just be cleaned up on a wire wheel. So can that, and so can that. But these pieces need a little bit of help. So, I don't know if you guys remember, but the miniature chimenea, I was testing a product. It's this Clean Strip aerosol paint stripper. I didn't give a fair chance to this, so let me revisit it. Jesus, it's strong. It's very aromatic, for the lack of a better word. Whew. Plus I had my face like right down in the canister. Well, we'll see what that does. Come back in about, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. Enough time to have a adult beverage, and we'll see what we can do with like a little nylon brush or something. Hopefully it'll take this. Oh, it's starting already. Wow, I guess this stuff. All right, pretty cool. Clean strip. Aerosol paint stripper. Well, let's see what this stuff did. I mean, it definitely softened it up. I wonder if I have like a steel. Nah, you know what? I'm not going to use the steel brush. I'm just going to wipe this off the best I can. Get the bulk of the stripper off it. And then I'm going to let the wire wheel do the rest. Again, ladies and gentlemen, I apologize about the neighborhood dogs. They are, they're horrible. All right, so we got the pieces pretty clean. That stripper did a really good job. I guess I was a little too harsh on it the first time when I was doing the chimney, but you know, give it a shot, right? So this is cleaned the best that I'm going to do with the stripper, and then what I'm going to do is throw it on the wire wheel, try and get the bulk of the rust off, and then I'm going to throw it in the rust converter. So let's get at it. So here. And get to getting, right? That you guys can see it. It came out pretty good. Well, didn't come out too bad, you know. Let's relocate you guys. Follow me. So the parts came out pretty good. I just don't know if I want to paint this stuff or do I want to keep it natural metal. This side's almost perfect. There's nothing wrong with this at all. Alright, so this is what I think I'm going to do. I think I am going to paint the body. But what color? I don't know. I'm just going to file down the nasty spots on there, the old casting marks, and that is going to be that. So I've got this in my 4-inch American Red Seal. As you can see, the size comparison. Here's the little 1-inch, and I got little itty bitty files. So we'll see how we can go about doing this. Oh, this is going to take us a year. Well, if you guys have nothing to do for the next, I don't know, I'll say 80 hours. I mean, of course I'm being facetious, but then stay tuned. Well, anyway, I think it looks better. I was kind of thinking this dupla color, it's called Metal Cast Anodized Coating. It's kind of like a red, sparkly. All we can do is give it a shot, right? If I'm not mistaken, I think this is the same red that I did the Jeep restoration in. Whew. Just going to put a little bit of grease on these. Not too terrible. Not too much. Ooh, nice and smooth. And we'll hold off on that. We'll put the little tiny Acme screw in there. A little bit of grease. Grab my screwdriver. Set this little sit screw in place. Oop, too tight. Alright. So I'm gonna pull this apart a little bit. I got like way too much grease in there. Just want to wipe off the bulk of it. There we go. Now it's looking a little bit better. It operates perfect. Wow, super smooth. Nice. Little tiny bit of grease there. Doesn't even really need it, but so with this little piece, I'm just going to keep threading it in till it pops through. Let me think this over. I don't want to mess the paint up. So let me put a little piece of wood in there real quick, okay? Alright, so I got a little piece of black walnut that I'm going to put in there. Can you see it? Alright. So that's back in place. Nice. Cool. Well, here it is, guys. Granddad's little mini vise. Not too sure why he had it, other than, you know, he's probably like me and really liked the simplicity of a vise. My grandfather was a commercial truck driver. He drove a semi-truck, and you know, he drove a truck all through Prohibition and all that stuff. And anyway, I don't know why he had this little tiny guy, but when he passed on, a lot of his stuff got passed to me, and this is something that's just going to sit on my shelf, and you know, I can appreciate it. So thanks, guys, for hanging in there with this little tiny vise. Hope this is something that interested you. You know, if it did, hit that like button. If not, hit that like button anyway, because I really could use it. This was just something that I wanted to get done and appreciate. So thanks for hanging in there, guys. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and see you next week with another project. Thank you.